I'm not gonna lie, I definitely do. I like how these windows is. They got weights on the inside. It's nice. Where the string go? I'm about to make this a whole opening. They ain't put no beam right here. This is crazy. They got that beam took out. It's coming along so far, man. I'm finished taking these studs. I'll be taking this rod right here too. But he got his alarm right there with a switch that I gotta unplug and take out. I started, I can show you. Started, but I'm gonna leave this connected because you gotta have somebody come look at that. Jump crazy. I'm gonna drop them posters in a minute. You said 20K. 20K. Low beams. About to put it up, man. About to put that beam up. This is a pain. This is a pain. I could just run them down in there separately. Yeah. Yeah, don't get that. You said what? Oh no. Oh shit, my dumb ass. Put it under the beam. I'm supposed to take it above the beam. Excuse my language. Right. One word. Go on to the next word. We're taking these posters down for his beam. Just in case I put a couple little stoppers in there. The little gaps where we got, I already made sure this was level. So on the money, I could do that for y'all right now. It's on the money. It's on the money, if y'all don't know. Still level. I already took 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 posters down already holding this up. I'm on my last 2. It's coming along well, man. It's about to be a nice open area. Low beam job done. About to be done. Alright, then one wire. Throwing the next wire. This is a pain. I could just run them down in there separately. Yeah. Don't get that. Yeah, cut the ceiling guard to make it a clean cut.
Tom, you need a big moose head now. Put it right